Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video, I'll show you a really simple way how you can change your store industry in Shopify. So let's start. This is really important from the CEO standpoint. So what you want to do is just click on online store, and then you just want to click on settings and general. And here you're going to see store details, and then you're going to see store industry right here. And from clothing, you have multiple options from groceries, handcrafts, painting, virtual services, and you can really choose which one you like. But this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.